Hello there, welcome to our channel Login again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on your profile views on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to turn on the profile views on your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, you will be seeing the same kind of interface where you will be seeing the contents of your liked and your followed viewers or your friends. And on this interface, you can see the profile button available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile button, and on this interface, which is your profile, you will be able to see all of your videos you have posted on past. And over here on the top right corner of the screen, there is the three line icon. Tap on the three line icon like this, and tap on the settings and privacy once the dialog box appears. And on this interface, you can see there are a lot of options, but under the category of account, there is the privacy option available over here just below the manage account. Tap on privacy, and on this interface, scroll down a little bit to the end of the screen, to the end of the list, and you can see the profile views on the bottom of the list. Tap on profile views, and over here you can see the profile view history, see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And you can see the toggle icon is currently turned to gray, and if you tap on it and it turns to green, then the profile views on your TikTok account will be turned on. And so guys, this is how you turn on your profile views on your TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.